All right, so getting started with using Juno and Jupitergrades, the easiest thing to do in the beginning is just a simple substitution. So say I have a PDF I would like to put in, have the students access and be able to write on and then turn in. I simply go to Files and Links, Upload New, where I'm going to choose how I would like to upload it. So I'm just select a file from this computer. So this would be a worksheet or something that I already have, so I can look through. I pull up my file, whatever it might be, okay, that PDF. I choose the class I want it in, I save it, and now it's in the downloads. I can actually go back to the dashboard for that class, create the new assignment, and in the show directions, I insert the link for that file. The students can download the file from there. I select Dropbox so that I can accept any files, PDF, links. Typically a PDF is the easiest to work with. They can also edit and turn in Juno docs. There's more features on that and cover later. So that's the easiest way to have students do that. They'll download that file, put it into Notability, and then they have it to turn back in with their notes and things on it. Okay, the next way we want to look at it is right now using Juno. So Juno provides more feedback. We're getting more into the augmentation. We're looking at the students be able to not just do homework, but be required to fulfill it to 100%, be able to repeat it, see the correct answers for each of the questions. And we all have a lot of tests and things that we've already done. So one of the things you can do here is you want to create a new one. We're going to select import. So I want to bring in a new test, and I have my old chapter 6 science test. It says paste your questions here. All right, so what you're going to want to do is open up that document that you had in a Word file. You can look through here at your questions. It needs to be in an RTF. All right, RTF, rich text format. So we are going to save as. So I click save as in the drop down menu. Instead of .doc, I'm going to select .rtf. Okay, and then I'm going to save that document. I'll be uploading that in just a moment. So with the import function with Juno, there's several ways and types of questions it'll take in. Simplest is multiple choice. You just add an asterisk in front of what would be the correct answer. So the number of protons in an atom is the atomic number. I add an asterisk, and I'm just going to put in some random asterisks here for the demonstration. Okay, so you can either put it right next to the letter, okay, or so I'm just marking what would be considered, even though these are probably not all the correct answers in here. So once I've done that, I save my file, and I can then, now I will copy and paste my answers in here. Okay, so copy and paste my answers in there. So that was my RTF. I'm gonna make sure I have that one. So I would just simply come here, okay, copy down whatever questions, all of them, some of them, it's up to you. So I can actually copy, I go right here into the browser window, I paste those in right there. So I have my questions, the correct one's marked with an asterisk. I'm doing this as an assessment or exercise. So if I choose exercise, that gives the students the opportunity to repeat. I click on new, and you see it's already in here formatted with the correct answer marked. I can click done, and then I can assign this to my classes. So this is a way to start using the technology immediately in a way that saves you time with what you already have. So two different ways: uploading the PDF and have students work on that, or copying and pasting. On the blog, I put a link into the directions in Jupitergrade help on how to import, and it gives you shortcuts for adding in different types of questions other than multiple choice. But that was the easiest one to show.